So today we're going to be talking about beater boxes. We're not going to be unboxing a beater box like we usually do. We're going to be just kind of discussing the beater box because there's a lot of stuff that I want to update you guys on, and there's some good news and there's a lot of bad news. A lot of bad news about beater boxes. So if you guys are interested in beater boxes, you guys are trying to figure out how to buy boxes, how to resell shoes, stay tuned. That will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about beater boxes, and it's not gonna be a good talk, guys. It's not a good talk. Soul Supremacy recently sent out tweets about the beater boxes, and it's pretty concerning for a lot of people. We're gonna get into that right away, but before we do, I wanna give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a company you guys know and love already. It is the premier minimalistic jewelry company that I have been rocking for months now because the products are so great. This one has been growing on me quite a bit recently. It's that silver wing necklace, which it's a little bit pricier than the other necklaces on the website, but it's because it's a higher quality. So I've been rocking this one a lot, and I've also been hearing that you guys have been buying a lot of RGB as well, so I'm happy to hear that, guys. And I want you guys to know if you guys are rocking RGB now, don't forget to comment what you guys cop down below. Also, if you guys are on Instagram and stuff, be sure to tag them in any pictures you guys have rocking their products, because I'm pretty sure that they actually repost most of those pictures on their own Instagrams. So don't forget to do that. Also tag me because I want to see what you guys are rocking as well. Anyway, if you guys have already copped RGB, or maybe you're new and you want to start copying some RGB, go to the link in the description below. It will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order if you click on that link. So click on that link, get 25% off your order, and their prices are already really great. So 25% off an already great price is an amazing price. So be sure to check that out. Anyway, beater boxes. Beater boxes are what you guys know and love. It's what's the staple of this channel. And I was getting a lot of people like adding me yesterday because Soul Supremacy released some tweets that people were concerned about, basically. I'll put the tweets up on the screen over here. Basically, that first one said, I have made a final decision. There will be no more beater box memberships opening up unless a bunch of people cancel, which most likely will not happen. Over the last year or so, we haven't been able to drop as many boxes as before due to stock. We'll freeze right there. That first statement is concerning because a lot of people were like, wait, no beater box membership, so that means I can't buy a box. And that is 100% true. You cannot buy a beater box from Soul Supremacy without a membership. Again, what he also said is that he won't open up more unless people cancel. If you guys have had a membership like I have, you guys have probably held it for like over 2 years now, and you're probably not letting it go. Well, unless you continue to see boxes like we did in that last video, which, yeah, you might end up letting it go. But for now, nobody's letting it go. So that's a problem because all of you guys that are watching these videos want to say, okay, I want to get a box. How do I get in on this? And now there's no means for you to get in on it. So it's a little bit concerning, right? Let's continue on though and see what else we got. I can't open up more memberships if the stock levels we can drop don't justify the amount of members. However, big however, I will start putting some boxes back up on Soul Steals as often as I can, but in limited quantities, maybe about 5 a week or so. Then he tells you to sign up at soulsteals.com. Soulsteals.com is that other website that we use to get like Hype Beast mystery boxes. So what he's saying though is if you get a membership over there, which is about 20 bucks a month, you will have a chance to buy beater boxes, but it's only going to be about 5. And if you guys have tried copying on that website before, it's pretty much like Supreme, man. Everything goes within seconds. So 5 beater boxes, you can imagine, will be out the door in like no time. However, that means you guys still have a chance at least. Like, he reiterates that Soul Steals is less than a beater box membership, but you have access to purchase more things. To me, this is probably the best I can offer given the circumstances. And then he also ends it by saying, sorry, I know I can't please everybody, but putting a few boxes on Soul Steals is the best I can do to make sure current members are happy and non-members now have a slight chance to grab some. So this guy is very business oriented, and he's very good with customer service. Like, he could easily charge 500 bucks on top of a membership to let everybody in, but he doesn't want to do that because there wouldn't be enough stock for everybody. He actually said in a different tweet, like a response tweet, that because of the advent of StockX, because of the advent of GOAT, there has been less shoes coming through Soul Supremacy. He makes these beater boxes because people sell their entire collections to Soul before, and that's how you have so much excess shoes that you can put them in the beater boxes. But that's not happening because you can sell on GOAT now, so they're cutting out basically the middleman, which was Soul Supremacy. So there's less stock. Additionally, what I saw from the get-go is that they reopened their new website and they are using used shoes on the website. So because of that, if there's more used shoes on the website, there's going to be less used shoes for beater boxes. So it's like, you can see it full circle, man. They're trying to conserve stock. They're trying to like keep up with business, and you know, you can't blame them for that. With that though, what are your guys' choices to get beater boxes? What are your choices for resale? resale. I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now, beater boxes are not the best place to go if you guys are trying to start out in resale. What you need to do is start off with one shoe at a time, one hype release at a time. Go for one pair of Yeezys, double your money if you guys, well, I guess you can't double your money nowadays with Yeezys, but you know what I mean. Like, get one pair of shoes, flip that, use that money to buy 2 shoes the next time, flip those, 4 shoes, etc. That's how you guys should be doing it. Beater boxes are more if you're kind of already grounded into resale and then you're trying to look for, you know, extra ways to make money. You could actually make a lot more money if you cop like 3 Yeezys on a release day than you could from a beater box. That's how you have to look at it. However, if you guys are interested in the mystery aspect of boxes, I actually sell like mini beater boxes on my website, like sometimes untiedhawaii.com. I always tweet out that link when I do those, so check me out on Twitter if you guys have not already, and also check me out on twitch.tv/untiedhawaii. I talk about beater boxes and I talk about like actual drops and stuff on there all the time, so stay tuned on that because that is where I've been like releasing a lot of information. There's also a couple other stores that sell beater boxes as well, and I'm gonna let you guys know now, there hasn't been unboxings this week because I've actually been buying up a bunch of boxes and they're all coming in like tomorrow. So stay tuned guys, because the next week is gonna be crazy with Hypebeast mystery boxes, with beater boxes from different companies. Once that beater box comes in, I'll tell you about the company and then you guys can cop from there if you guys feel the boxes are good. But yeah, I want to make sure that I check it out first to make sure it's legit, make sure it's safe, because I wouldn't want you guys copying a box that you know is not legit. Like, it's so crazy to buy used random shoes to resell. Like, you can get screwed over super easy, so just looking out for you guys on that. Check out that next video, it will be coming soon. Anyway, that is it for this video. Beater boxes are not dead. They're not dead, guys. And he's not stopping all beater boxes, which some people were tweeting at me. They're like, dude, there's no beater boxes. What are you gonna do on your channel anymore? They still have beater boxes. It's just, it's only for members right now. Hopefully that changes in the future though, we gotta see. And an even nicer tweet than that was that people were saying, you know, it doesn't matter if you don't have a beater box membership because we have you. Because you can continue to watch these beater boxes being opened on this channel. It kind of like fulfills that urge for you guys where you guys want to open these boxes but can't. So that's why I guess people watch this channel, so that they can see these unboxing and, you know, kind of live through me, is what somebody quoted. I'm happy I can do that for you guys. I'm happy that I can take the risk because trust me, I've been losing a lot of money on beater boxes recently, but I'm gonna keep trying because, you know, I've stuck with it for 2 years and it has been very profitable. So stay tuned on this channel, hit that notification bell if you guys have not already to catch more beater boxes in the future. And as always, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha, shoots.